Vision Institute of Hotel Management present different types of cooking methods in F&B production. Broiling. It is cooking by direct heat. It could be done by the source of heat above or below. It is dry cooking and can be done on an iron bar or pan, where the food is cooked uncovered. The pan or bar is oiled slightly to prevent sticking. Some examples are broiled peanut, broiled bacon, basted salmon with mushroom oyster sauce. Baking. Baking is a method of cooking food by the action of dry heat in an oven. The degree of dryness of heat may be modified by the amount of steam produced from the item baked. Some examples are bread rolls, cakes, pastries, pudding, potatoes, and vegetables are baked. Roasting. The term roasting was originally applied to the cooking of large pieces of meat on an open fire. There are 4 types of roasting methods are there. Hot roasting, oven roasting, spit roasting, tandoor roasting, grilling. Grilling is a cooking method where the food is placed on a griller bar on heat. The source of heat may be charcoal, gas, or electricity. Frying. Food is fried when it is placed or immersed in oil or fat at high temperature, used to brown the surface at least. There are mainly 2 types of frying methods. Deep frying. Shallow frying. Boiling. Boiling is a cooking method in which food should be in a pan of liquids, which must be kept boiling all the time. White of bubbles should be seen on the surface. The boiling temperature is 100 C. 212 F. Poaching. Poaching is a cooking method in which food is gently cooked in water that is just below boiling point, 93 C, 95 C. Vinegar and salt are used in liquids. It helps in quicker coagulation and prevents disintegration. Steaming. Steaming is a cooking method that is done by most heat. There are 2 types of steaming: indirect steaming and direct steaming. Stewing. It is a time-consuming method of cooking, but the advantage is that the coarser, older, and cheaper types of poultry and meat are used as they are unsuitable for grilling and roasting. Stewing is done in a small quantity of water and stock until the cut food items are tender and both liquid and food are served together. It is done in a covered saucepan or casserole. Braising. It is a combined method of roasting and stewing. The pan with a light-fitting lid or casserole is done to prevent evaporation so that the food its juices together with the article added for flavoring. Bacon, ham, vegetables, and herbs are added. The meat is first browned with a small amount of hot fat to seal the pores of the meat. It is then placed on a bed of root vegetables. Stock or demi-glace is added to 2/3 of the meat. Thank you for watching video.